Hey, what's up guys? Trent here. The reason I make these videos is to help you become a better salesperson. I'm by no means a master myself, guys. I'm just trying to get better, but I have made 37,000 cold calls. Based on those successes and many rejections, I use those experiences to shape how I make these videos and the perspectives I bring. In today's video, we're talking about how I finished 357% of quota in my very first quarter as an account executive. I spent a couple years as an SDR, so really excited to be making this video today and really seeing how those skills have come full circle. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell if you're interested in becoming a better salesperson yourself or increasing your income. That's what I talk a lot about, guys. Like many of you guys who watch this channel, I put in my time as an SDR. I spent about 26 consecutive months as an SDR, cold calling, emailing, working with dozens of account executives. Many left, many have come, and begging them to accept my opportunities, setting up meetings, getting no-showed, making cold calls, getting hung up on. All that, guys, you know what it's all about: software sales, SDR life, account executive life. And I finally, as of fourth quarter of 2020, promoted to an account executive. It was my first quarter. I'm still ramping. First quarter, carrying a quota for myself, guys. I was nervous going into it. It was a big learning curve. I didn't even have my book of business until a couple weeks into October, I believe, guys. But really what I felt and what I experienced, I'm going to share with you guys how I found immediate success, how you can hit the ground running too, and some of the tactics, skills I use, and really the mindset, how you can hit the ground running as an account executive, or as an SDR, or if you're an enterprise software sales rep. Who knows? Everyone can benefit from this message, guys. Anytime I faced adversity or anytime I felt self-doubt, guys, and I wrote this on a post-it note on my desk next to my computer, if you don't believe in yourself, why is anyone else going to believe in you, guys? It's a Tom Brady quote. I really like it a lot, and I faced a lot of self-doubt. Running IQ initial meetings, we call them IQMs, demos, discoveries, negotiating, closing, guys. These were all new skills to me, overcoming certain objections, driving urgency throughout the sales cycle. A lot of this was new to me, and I'm still not very good at it, guys. Trying to get better at that, and I'm going to help document my journey of how I'm getting better and hopefully make you guys better. But I faced a lot of self-doubt, guys. Got rejected a lot. You're going to face that in your own sales career. You probably have faced a lot of that, guys. But what I found my first quarter as an account executive, no matter what happened, I could always lean on the foundational skills that I learned as an SDR. Some of those skills are prospecting, consistent daily effort, winning each day, in cold calling, guys. The 37,000 cold calls, that's where I really hold my hat on. And I know that I could be given any book of business, any industry, any accounts, any companies, any buyer personas, whatever, guys. It doesn't matter. As long as I kind of understand the value prop, I know that I can find people to call, and I can call them, and I can set up meetings, guys. That's what I know I can do really well. I've mastered that. So I held my hat on that skill, guys. Found a lot of pipeline really early on. Started cold calling. I know how to find artificial warmth, people that view your website, people that talked with your company in the past. Look for all these ways to find warmth, guys, and go to that first. That's the lowest hanging fruit, and that's what I did. I focused on that, guys. Setting up meetings with current customers. Think about this. If someone already spends with your company, it's going to be a lot easier to sell to them than someone who has never spent with your company before, guys. I know it sounds simple, but it's helpful to talk through it and be reminded of that. And guys, really those skills of prospecting, top of the funnel, cold calling, consistent daily effort, high morale, good attitude, positivity, they're always going to be the cornerstone to any successful sales career, guys, and I really believe that. The final point I'm going to share on this, guys, of how I found immediate success as an account executive, quota carrying role, after I spent my 26 months as an SDR, guys, is that the comparison game is never going to go away. So what do I mean by that? So as an SDR, you're always competing against people. Eventually, you're going to elevate your game and you're going to promote and you're going to go to that next level. You're going to become an account executive, a senior account executive, an enterprise rep, a sales manager, a C-level, whatever it is, guys. As soon as you get better and reach that point, you're going to go up to a smaller field. So there's a lot of SDRs and there's less AEs and there's less enterprise reps and there's less senior sales managers, guys. You're always going to move up to a different level, guys. And I'm not trying to explain the rat race or anything here, guys, but just know that the comparison game is always going to be there. And the less you can compare yourself to others, the better, guys. Sometimes in the past, and I've talked about this, is that I've been envious or jealous of others' success, and it's made me less secure with myself, guys, and that's not where you want to be. It's not a good feeling, like checking the dashboard, seeing how everyone is doing, guys, and how you're doing relative to them. That's important, guys, but just know that others' success really proves the potential and the opportunity there, so that should hopefully prove you to get better, guys. The last thought I have on this is that sales is hard. If it were easy, everyone would close $1 million in revenue. Everyone would be sitting on the beach like I am with these palm trees. I'm about to head out to the beach right now. Everyone would be retired. Everyone would have a boat. Everyone would have a private jet. Guys, success is relative. So just know that as long as you're trying your absolute best, that's all that matters. And recognize, guys, that most of the people you're around, most of the guys that watch this channel are highly motivated, driven people, salespeople. We're driven by money, competition, beating other people, guys, and that's all good, and that should motivate you to do better. But just recognize that I'm trying my hardest, you're trying your hardest, Sue, Billy, Johnny, they're all trying their hardest. Everyone's trying their hardest and trying to do their best, guys. So just know at the end of the day, no matter if you hit quota, you don't hit quota, as long as you're trying your hardest, guys, you should be able to live with that. And don't play the comparison game. I've played that game many, many times in the past. And once I finally felt like I started to free myself from worrying about how well others are doing or feeling like, oh, someone else is doing better than me, that takes away from my success, guys, that's nonsense. It doesn't matter. Don't do the comparison game. I was talking with one of my dad's friends down here in Florida who's a sales leader, and that's what he said, is that sales is hard. It's hard for everyone. Everyone's trying their best, and just know that if you come in each day, give your best effort each and every day, and you can live with the results, guys. And fortunately, my first quarter as an account executive, I feel proud to live with the results of finishing 357% of quota, guys. So hope this video was helpful to you in some way. I enjoyed making it. It's really cool to reflect back and look at being an SDR for a year or two and then promoting to an account executive. So for those of you who are SDRs now, for those of you who are account executives, for those of you who aren't even in sales, just know that if you keep grinding, keep trying your best, keep hustling, you will eventually get up to that next level, and then you'll be eyeing the next level, the next level, the next level. So just have fun with it, guys. I'm having fun with it. I love with you guys. Interact in the comments below. So let me know what you guys think of this video. Let me know what you guys are focused on heading into 2021, guys. I'd be eager to know that. I know that 2021 just started. It's going to be a big year for a lot of us, guys. Let's make it the best year yet. Thanks so much for watching. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.